Hey y'all, this is Richard from No Pants Profits / Results Not Typical, coming to you live from the parking lot of a brewery because there's some news that could come out in a few hours that's going to try and make me look bad. So I want to go ahead and I want to get ahead of that. Now I will tell you, I did start doing a rug pull on Tereth BNB earlier today, and I'm being called out that there's going to be a secret meeting at 10:30 p.m. tonight, which this is Friday, November 12th. It is now 8:26 p.m. Once this gets posted, it'll be about 9 p.m. It is 8:26 p.m. There's a secret meeting that's going to call out everybody. I acted alone. I found out about the Tereth BNB on my own, and I liquidated it on my own. I know this is not the quality you normally see from No Pants Profits, but it was all done on my own. That's very important to understand. Earlier today, I went ahead and I actually liquidated part of what I had in the Tereth BNB project. And you can see liquidation right here. I was smart enough to go ahead and record that liquidation going down from 185, 185, 185, 179, 179, 179 as I empty out the wallets. Then we've got, come on, 170, 170, 170, 170. Can I get 170, 170, 170, 170? Hold on. Here we go. Big one. 142. I did this all on my own. No one else was involved. Mike and John created a day trading coin and brought that day trading coin to a damn day trader. I took the last few days and turned around tens of thousands of dollars on this coin. I am a day trader. Yes, I'm a day trader. I day traded the coin. I'm told this coin's for day trading. I day traded the coin. I made a fortune. Welcome to the world of day trading. If any of you would like to learn any more, do check out No Pants Profits. We're talking about IPOs and other day trades. No Pants Profits is another YouTube channel that's separate from this. I am wearing pants right now because I'm out in front of a brewery. Hope to see you soon. Just wanted to get ahead of this. Yeah, I liquidated. Yeah, I bought in the night it came out. Yeah, I bought in tens of thousands of dollars the night it came out and liquidated a lot more. This is Richard from No Pants Profits and Results Not Typical saying, watch out, Tereth is a scam. Bye!